Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan, so let's see the energies for you ngayong July 2026 using tarot and oracle cards. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo private reading, just go to my website, mysticwingph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comments section. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. Ano yung mga ganap, energy for you ngayong July for Sagittarius? Fire, wow. It's like passion. Keep the fire burning. Yan. So I think mas ano ka ngayon, action-oriented. Mas go, go, go yung energy mo. Mas active ka ngayong July. Some of you travel opportunities, or meron kang ipupursue na creative na project. Also have Pisces energy. Very much intuitive, no? So yung iba sa inyo, if you are into divination, spirituality, mas patatatagin mo ang iyong pananampalataya. You will be passionate in whatever you are interested in, na alam mong nandun yung inclination mo, nandun yung talent mo, nandun yung skill set mo. Let's see what else. Overall energy. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong Pisces placements. Very creative. Overall energy. Three of Pentacles. So this is collaboration, working with others. May expansion, no? Expansion ng career, business. Merong agreements, no? Meron kayong mga ka-meet up sa negosyo, trabaho. Pwedeng meron kayong yung creative project nyo, meron kayong kasama rito. You have the Five of Wands. This is also competition. This is also about pagalingan. Oo. But I think this is about showcasing your talents, your skill set in a healthy way. For example, yung mga sa exhibit, ayan, 'di ba? Hindi naman kailangan mag-compete. Ano ba yan? Compete sa sa exhibit. Parang you're just showcasing yung products mo, yung services, ganyan, para mas mapansin. Ayan. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Sag? You have the King of Cups, water sign energy, and then the Two of Pentacles. So, pwedeng person sa buhay mo, can be a challenging person, can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is, pwedeng medyo may pagka-manipulative, no? Someone might be trying to manipulate you through their emotions. Na, di ba, alam mo yun, may mga nagtatry na mag-manipulate. Parang mga bata, di ba? Example lang naman, yung mga anak, iba-iba, para makuha nila yung gusto nila, iiyak sila. Ganon. Yung mga bata, di ba? Para ibilhin mo ng laruan na gusto nila, iiyak. Ganon. So, that can be a challenge sa'yo na merong person sa buhay mo na trying to manipulate you through their emotions. With the Two of Pentacles, parang meron ka ritong kailangang piliin. Yun ang mahirap dyan kasi what I'm seeing here is ikaw, meron kang gustong i-pursue, like pangarap mo, mga goals mo, and then you have a partner, someone na parang pinapapili ka, sino ba yung mas uunahin mo. Mahirap pag nandun ka sa ganong klaseng relasyon kasi instead na suporta yung nakukuha mo, pinapapili ka pa. kung alin yung uunahin mo sa kanila. Parang, nakikipagkompetensya. Oh, I think that is the energy as well of someone being competitive sa'yo na malapit sa'yo eh. Mm-mm. Now, that's really a challenge kung ano yung pipiliin mo, sino yung pipiliin mo. Kailangan makipag-usap ka ng maayos. What is your opportunity? Yeah, you have the Two of Swords. You have the opportunity to choose what your intuition is telling you. Minsan kasi, yung logical, yung practical, hindi yun makakatulong. Ano yung sinasabi ng instinct mo sa'yo? Yun ang pakinggan mo. You have the Seven of Pentacles. As an opportunity, kung ano man yung mga tinanim mo dati, no? Mga nasimulan mo. Or kung ano man yung mga gagawin mo ngayong July, na talagang paghihirapan mo, e-effortan mo, magbubunga ito. No? Magbubunga yan. Kaya, hindi mo kailangan rin na parang i-downplay yung sarili mo na, ay, wag na lang kasi hindi naman to mag-work. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, wala ka rin tiwala sa sarili mong kakayanan. Eh, di paano nga mag-work yun, di ba? So, you really need to believe in yourself kasi lahat yan will come into fruition. Meron niyang bunga. Now, your blessing is the Page of Cups. As a blessing, no, some of you, kung kayo ay nagbabalak na magkaroon ng baby, no, ito ay, specific message. So, pwedeng merong blessing of baby kasi Page is bata, no. Some of you naman, as a blessing, meron kang wish na matutupad nung bata ka pa. Kung ano man yan na wish mo. Kahit mga simpleng bagay, no. Like, for example, gusto mong makabili ng, sarili mong lupa. O, ayan, nakuha mo na. Ganon. You have the Ten of Swords. So, as a blessing, kung ano man yung mga challenges mo na pinagdaanan ng mga nakaraang buwan, patapos na. Okay? Nandun ka na sa release. Nandun ka na sa ending. You're ending a cycle in your life that is no longer serving you, na nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng stress sa iyong life. Let's see what else for Sagittarius. Mas magiging persistent ka o very busy ang energy mo. Devoted, hardworking. Para kang isang bubuyog na very busy. Merong wisdom. Something is like opening up para sa'yo. Merong pearl. So, ito kasing pearl, di ba, lumalabas yan. Nabubuo yan. Galing yan sa mga kalat actually na naiipon nung clam. Clam ba yan? Oo. So, it symbolizes yung mga kailangan mong pagdaanang challenges na meron siyang magiging magandang bunga para sa'yo. It's like hard work that you do and meron siyang magandang resulta. And some of you, merong magandang journey, no? It's pwede tong travel opportunities ngayong July. Or you are finally moving forward dahil finally na-release mo na, na-let go mo na yung bagay na no longer serving your highest good. May bago kang direction, may bagong kabanata. Oops. Some of you are taking a risk. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. Totoo. 'Di ba? So, part ng taking of risk ng iba sa inyo is to move on, go to a new direction. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.